At Desert Horizons Country Club, beautiful fairways, shimmering lakes, and majestic palm trees abound, all surrounded by the spectacular mountains which frame the Coachella Valley. The private 18-hole championship golf course is available only to members and hosts no outside tournaments. Hello, this is Sheri Dettman, and welcome to Desert Horizons Country Club in beautiful Indian Wells. Desert Horizons offers a choice of condos and single-family homes. Community facilities include an 18-hole golf and putting course, 20 community pools and spas, and lush, park-like landscaped grounds. Biking is a favorite activity for many residents, as the outside perimeter drive provides an ideal 3-mile route. Homeowners' social dues include membership to the clubhouse, dining and social events, a fitness center, and tennis on 5 lighted courts.